In this tutorial, you will learn how to make this number counting effect in After Effects. First, create a text layer by writing something, or you can just right-click, select New and then Text. Then, search for the slider control effect in the Effects panel and apply it to the text layer. Open the layer properties, then expand the text drop-down menu and parent it to the slider effect. You should see number 0 in your composition window right now. However, if you animate this, your timer will look like this. So let's fix it. Expand the source text drop-down menu and at the very beginning write math.round. Then put open parentheses. After Effects will probably put closed parentheses as well automatically, so just delete that and put it at the very end. And yes, capital M in math is important. Now you can animate the slider control and the numbers will go up or down depending on your preference. Stylize this how you want and you're done. Feel free to ask any questions or suggest ideas for future tutorials in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.